What are you so happy about?
Ash.
Oh, syrup. Ooh. Are you going to be on a sugar high later? Oh. My goodness, you better take a drink. What's that mean? What are you saying about those pancakes? Oh. Okay. Really? Okay. For real? For real? For real? Are you a happy boy today? Are you a happy boy? Alright, you're not supposed to talk with your mouth full. Mm-hmm. Is that yummy? Syrup, I know. I see you playing in that syrup. Is that good? Is that good? I got one more little piece. I see one more little piece. I see one more little piece. Okay. Are we all done? Are we finished? Good boy. With signing finished. You want more? Can you say more? More. Good job. That was a little one-handed more. Finished. How about please? Please? Oh, good boy. You're so good. All right. I love you. What? You ready to get out? No, you're not? You want to stay in there? You want to stay in there? You want to get... You want to get out? I think you do, but you told me no. Do you want to get out? Gotta say yes. Yes? Oh, okay. Do you want down? Hello? Do you want down? Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay. Here, wipe your mouth. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Ah, good boy. Oh, are you all done? Are you all done? Do you want down? Yes? Can you say yes?